Hello everyone! So today we are in Santo Pietro, Capannoli municipality, and we're gonna see Art Nouveau Villa. This is the private gate to the house. The land is 7,000 square meter of a small forest, some park with plants around the house, and an old, very old tennis court. The house has been built in 1978 by the current owner, so he knows everything about the structure and permissions. The house is 100 and almost 90 square meter on 2 floors. Each floor has a big terrace. Now we are in the ground floor. The trees, some trees can be cut to open the view, can be lower. So, and on this side, another part of the park. This is a well for raining water. Better. So, let's go in. That's the kitchen. With the first fireplace here where they used to cook. The ground floor bathroom with shower and the boiler room. That's the big hall. With the main fireplace here. And big French windows. All windows and French windows have double glass. This was the dining area. Also here, access outside. And stairs to the first floor. That's the second living room, which can be the third bedroom, as there are just 2 now. Nice fireplace here, working fireplace, with its own terrace here, with access to the roof terrace. The gate down there. That door is the main entrance. Stairs to the 2 bedroom and second bathroom. Big bedroom. This window can be a door to go to this paved area, which can be closed with glass wall. Second bathroom, colorful bathroom, facing the tennis court with shower. And the second bedroom with balcony. Let's go outside from here. This part can be closed and be the third bathroom. These walls can be closed and can be the third bathroom. This is the garden in the back, where can be put a roof for the cars or a shed, wood shed. Let's see the garden here. Nice areas with tables, some fruit trees. They are connected to the main water and electricity. There's no gas. So having this forest would be nice to have a wood boiler to heat the house. This is the old tennis court. Very old and usable now, but can be a place for a pool maybe. I'm walking in the path of the garden. This is a field where used to be fruit trees, forest, and the house. And that's it.